Google Stitch and Lovable both use AI to turn simple prompts into apps and interfaces, but they are built for different purposes. So which one should you use? Intro. Google Stitch focuses heavily on UI and product design, while Lovable is designed to take you further into building functional applications. Let's quickly compare them. Google Stitch. Stitch is Google's AI native design canvas. You can describe an interface in natural language, generate high fidelity screens, iterate on them, and create interactive prototypes. It also supports images, code, voice based design instructions, and workflows that can move designs toward development. So, if your priority is visual design, UI exploration, and prototyping, Stitch is the stronger choice. Lovable. Lovable takes a more development focused approach. You describe the application you want, and Lovable can generate the front end, back end functionality and other parts needed to turn the idea into a working web app. That makes it more suitable if your goal isn't just to design an interface, but to build and launch a functional product. Stitch versus Lovable. Here's the simplest way to look at it. For UI design and prototyping, Stitch wins. For building functional web apps, Lovable wins. For design exploration, Stitch gives you a more design focused canvas and rapid visual iteration. For turning an idea into a working product, Lovable is the better fit. And there's another interesting point. Stitch can be used as part of a workflow that moves designs into development tools, including Lovable. Which one should you choose? Choose Google Stitch if you are a designer, want to experiment with UI ideas, create prototypes, or quickly visualize an app before development. Choose Lovable if you are an entrepreneur, developer, or creator who wants to go from an idea to a functional web application with as little coding as possible. Final verdict. So, which is better? There is not one winner. Google Stitch is better for AI powered design and prototyping, while Lovable is better for building functional applications. If you are focused on the design stage, go with Stitch. If you want to build the actual product, Lovable is the better choice. Which one would you choose? Google Stitch or Lovable? Let me know down below in the comments. And if you find this comparison helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick AI tool comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.